Today I have this dishwasher sign, so I can't stand when I do the dishes and somebody opens it up, puts in the wrong one, the dirty and the clean and the dirty, you get the idea. This is gonna stop all that. So first off, it does come with these little stickers here to be able to attach it to the back of the dishwasher. And then you have two sides, dirty or clean. And I like the fact that the font itself is very noticeable. This is a really noticeable sign, I feel like. I've had these before where they were just so tiny, nobody ever noticed it, and we still had the same problem. Not with this one. I feel like this is a good one. And it will be fun too, maybe you're teaching your kids how to do the dishwasher. This will be kind of fun for them as well. But you have dirty on one side and clean on the other. And it does kind of stick a little bit, that way it doesn't fall down, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's good quality. It's got a nice weight to it, nice thickness to it, and I really like this. So this is magnetic on the back here, if that works for you. If not, if you don't have that type of dishwasher, they do have the attachment stickers to use. So this is a really good one. So this goes right onto your dishwasher, just like that. Talk about an easy installation. And of course, very easy to read, huge letters. I love that. And when you are changing it over, all you have to do is that right there, and it will lock right into place, so it won't move around when you open and close the door. But you have dirty on that side and clean on that side. Of course, we want it to stay on that side as much as possible, but talk about easy, easy, easy to install and use. And this could be really good for your kids as well, or they don't actually put something dirty when it says clean, right? That's happened so many times. So a cool little handy device here.